Hi, I'm Lee, and today I'll be talking about negative keywords on Google PPC campaigns. Obviously you can also do them on Bing PPC campaigns, but the majority of our spend and the majority of our client spend is on Google, so we're going to concentrate on that channel today. So there's actually three ways of adding negative keywords. So the first way is adding them through a negative keyword list. This is across the whole PPC account and can be added to individual campaigns. So you can name your list. So for instance, I'll put test, and then you can put your negative keywords here. So for instance, cheap, free, or similar keywords such as that. Obviously it'll be dependent on your industry or the sort of the keywords that you don't want to appear for. The great thing about negative keywords is it avoids sort of appearing for searches that are not relevant to your industry or your company. We obviously use it a lot for our higher education clients. For undergraduate degrees, we don't want to appear for postgraduate keywords and vice versa. And then maybe for some of our e-commerce clients, we don't use them for keywords such as like cheap and free because of sort of the premium nature of some of their products. So there's three different types of negative keywords. You can have broad match keywords, you can have phrase match, and you can also have exact match. So these are used in the same way as you would in a normal PPC campaign. So if a broad match keyword, if used for instance to put in trainer as your negative keyword, you might not also appear for shoe. Phrase match is obviously you don't appear if someone puts that phrase within their search term. And then exact match is kind of what it says on the tin, so you wouldn't appear for that phrase. So as I said, you can add them through the negative keyword list here, but then you can also add them to the individual campaigns. So if I go here, you go to keywords, you go to negative keywords, to add, and then you can add them again here. So broad, phrase, exact. And then you can select here whether you add it to the whole campaign or individual ad groups as well. And then you can just say that. The best way of finding negative keywords is actually using the search term feature. This shows obviously what the users are searching when your ads are appearing. So if you see anything that's not relevant, you can then add that to your negative keyword list. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon.